And video demonstrating issues with laptop. We believe the motherboard is fried. We press the button, nothing happens. Okay, light. Oh, there's a blue light, but nothing turns on. Okay, if I plug in the power cord, nothing happens. The battery may be fully charged, but I noticed previously the light for battery was turning on. So there's some power, there's something on, but not fully. The light is slightly dimmed. Alright, this is the setup. Screwdrivers, magnetic, new motherboard. And now we'll try to attempt replacing the motherboard.